So hitting the trail, one of the first things you're gonna do is you're gonna air down. So I got my Ranger Raptor. I'm gonna show you the onboard air system that we've got, and then I'm also gonna show you the airing down system we've got. We utilize the RPV valves from APEX. They're real simple install. They're worth every penny. We already installed on this rig, and I'll show you what the RPV valve looks like. A couple of different lengths. On my Ranger Raptor, I'm utilizing the standard valve. So this little standard valve allows us to install a gauge onto the end of the shredder, and then by the flip of a lever, it rapidly deflates the air out of the tire to what we need, and we can watch it as we do it on an analog gauge. So let me show you that real quick, how it's done. This is the gauge that we use. It's the Agile gauge. I use a clip-on. This is a kind of a Euro-style air chuck. It allows me to be hands-free. So what I do is I take off the cap. Just gonna clip this on here. Now I'm hands-free, so I'm roughly at about 34 PSI. We're gonna pull back this lever. To bring it to 20. You saw it took very, very little time. What's really nice about the RPV valve is when you put the cap on, it actually makes it almost impossible to pull that lever back. One tire down, and we're gonna be done here in just a matter of seconds. So by the time you're out of your rig, you clip it on, you do all 4 of your tires. Real quick, you're back on the trail. Okay, so as you can see, airing down, no time at all. So we're already back in the Ranger. We're gonna hit the trails. It's got a little bit of a sandy surface here, so I went down about 20. If I needed to go down more, I can go down more. Like I was on the beach or something like that, I wanted to do like 15 PSI. Or I was in hard pack and I only wanted to go like to 22, I could, or even 25. I can just monitor that pressure. When we get into the rig, we'll sit on the dash, on the off-road dash, where the TPMSs sit. I'm gonna be pretty happy, usually within like 1 or 2 pounds of where I wanna be, and we'll hit the trail. So let's do it. All right, so as easy it was to air down, it's gonna be that easy to air up with the Agile Onboard Air Compressor for your Ranger Raptor. Let's take a look. I'll show you how to use it and how I air up my tires. So turn the air compressor on, that's number 1. Number 2, you're gonna go to your off-road screen if you're not already on it. That's gonna bring up your TPMSs, which are right here, okay? So all of our tire pressures, right now we're just under 25 after we've been playing around out in the desert for a while. And we're gonna monitor our air pressures there. So set them to your desired pressures off of the TPMS. No gauge needed. So next thing you're gonna do is, you're gonna air up using your hose. You're gonna snap it into place. You will hear the air compressor cycle because it's actually filling up the air in the hose. Then we're gonna attach it to our tire. We're gonna do 1 tire at a time. It'll work quickest. You're gonna see your tire pressures coming up right here off your TPMS. You're gonna bring them up to the pressure that you desire, and you're gonna unplug it. And you're gonna do each tire 1 at a time. Once you get into this rhythm, you'll find out airing up your tires will take you probably less than 10 minutes. I'm gonna bring tires pressure up to 40. Okay, so the Ranger Raptor's all aired up. We're ready to hit the pavement. 24 to 40 PSI, all 4 tires. That probably took 6-7 minutes. Cord's already wrapped up. I'm gonna put it here in the pouch. We're good to go. I do use the TPMSs to monitor my tire pressures. I trust them, not a big deal. We trust them for the safety of the vehicle. Ford does, everybody does. So I'm happy using the TPMSs. You wanna use the gauge, you're welcome to. It might take you a little bit more time. I think this is the most effective way to do it. You also notice the engine's running. It's super key when you are airing up and you're using your dual compressor to air up. There's a lot of amperage draw going through there. We want to keep the voltage up high on the vehicle, so just have the vehicle idle. You'll be able to see your TPMS on your off-road screen, monitor your pressures, set them to where you want, keep the voltage up high, pump's gonna breathe nice and easy. Okay, everybody, happy trails. Thanks.